Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, so the 2022 Citroen C3 Aircross facelift. And as you can see on this facelift, we have completely new face, new bumper and the new lights. Now, the lights are in LED technology now, and good news is that the LED lights are standard. Also, we have a lot of customization going on. So you have the color packs, which give you some elements in different color, dual tones of course, and some new colors, including this one. This is the Khaki Grey color, looks pretty nice. And let me show you the side profile of the car. So there we go. Now you see the color pack here. We have the elements in white there as well, and the wheels 16 or 17 inch, these being the 17 inch ones, my personal favorites. And from the rear, there we go. Not much has changed here. So yeah, lovely signature of the lights. They are a bit darker, I think. And yeah, well, now without further ado, let's jump on board. And here we are greeted with nice interior. We have a new screen, I will talk about that in a moment. But these are the advanced comfort seats with a special foam, 15 millimeters of foam to make it as comfortable as they could be. Okay, and this is it. In order to start it, you need to put the key here, and we are ready to go. So the model in our video is a 1.2 liter Puretech producing 110 horsepower. So this is the one option of petrol. The other petrol version is 130 horsepower, so that one is stronger, but I think this is enough for a car like this. We have 10.1 seconds to reach 100, and top speed is 186 kilometers per hour. So actually, a potent engine on higher revs, 10.1 seconds, it's really decent time, once again, for a car like this, for an average buyer of this vehicle. The other options include the diesel versions with either 110 or 120 horsepower. So tell me in the comments which one would you choose and what would be your choice. There are no plug-in hybrids, no mild hybrids. That is probably reserved for the next generation model. Now this is the facelift with the new face, as I already told you. And tell me in your comments, how do you like the design of this thing? Now here in front of us, the biggest news is the 9-inch touchscreen. So it's a bigger screen, looking nice, especially when you turn on the navigation, which we have here. And the navigation has got the 3D shape of the buildings. I will show you that when we go in the city, and when we will be next to the nice buildings. First thing we need to do is exit this rather huge garage. And today I am filming a bit earlier than usual, so there might be some traffic in the city. I usually film late at night when there's no one around, but yeah, today a bit different schedule. Now in front of us we have the analog cluster, and I'm not a huge fan of that because it looks nice, but I would love to see the digital cockpit at least as an option. I quite like this clicking sound, relaxed sound of the indicator. So the model in our video has got the 6-speed manual. There's also a possibility of the automatic transmission with stronger engines. So 130 horsepower petrol would have the automatic transmission. Now let me show you the 3D shape of the buildings here on our navigation. So on our left we have the National Theatre, and now I will show you here we also have the beautiful design of this navigation, especially on this new big screen, looking really nice. I don't know if you can see it now. I think you can. And you may saw that we have the start stop system. In order to turn it off, I don't like it, so I will turn it off. We go to vehicle settings, and now here you have start stop off. Now I wish there was a button for the start stop off, but yeah, you do need to go into the system itself. Also, to change the AC, yes, you need to press this. Now you can change the temperature and also adjust the air blower. And one cool feature, whatever you are doing here, if you press the screen with 3 fingers, you go back into the home menu. So that's quite cool. And then here on the vehicle settings, you can adjust the driving functions and the safety systems. Speaking about those, up to 12 driver assist systems are available on this car. For example, here we have active safety brake, we have driver attention warning, we have speed recommendation, and we also have the blind spot assist. I think you could see that. You know, you have the dot in the mirror warning you that you have the car in your blind spot. But this car has a lot of glass surfaces, and that is good because you can easily see, you know, other cars. Now you see the light telling us that we have a car in our blind spot. But yeah, it's really easy to maneuver with it. 4 meters 16 is the length of the car. And what is also very cool and practical is that we have the rear bench that is adjustable, so you can slide it 150 millimeters, and that way you can either get more room at the back for the rear occupants or more room in the trunk. Speaking about the trunk, from 410 up to 520 liters because of that you know, sliding bench. And I think really this car is practical and very good for families, and you know, it is robust, especially with this new look and the new face that looks much more mature and muscular compared to its predecessor. And yeah, if you like different colors and customization, you will definitely, you know, spend a lot of time on the configurator, because as I said, 70 combinations available, 7 colors. You have the dual tone options as well, and you have 4 color packs, so really a lot to play with. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available. You also have the app, so connected app, and that way you can see various things about your vehicle on your mobile phone, which is always convenient. So as you can see, a bit more traffic today. It is 7:30 in the evening. And it's really dark already. At 6 it becomes, you know, almost like a nighttime because of the winter time, of course. And now we'll be stationary, so I will show you a bit more of the interior here. So here you have the USB port, 12-volt power supply. You can put your mobile phone here just like I did. 6-speed manual, classic handbrake, the cup holders, but they are not adjustable. the armrest here, and also the new storage area here, and can be easily accessed by all the occupants in the car, so even from the rear. And let me also show you the navigation once again. And we also have the cathedral here, and you can see it there in the distance. And I do need to mention that if you want to have the 3D shape of the buildings, you need to adjust that. So here you go to settings for the navigation, and you need to put this building and terrain on, actually just building, so then you have of course the buildings if you prefer that way, but I think it looks much nicer. And the manual transmission seems like a reasonable choice for this car, and it's really decent. At first it was a bit, long, not in terms of the gears, but in terms of the amount of movement that you need from one gear to another. But once you get used to it and you do it really fast, it is really good. This infotainment system also has the option of color themes, so there are 3 themes available. This one is actually my favorite, so the red theme, but you can also choose the blue theme, so I will do that. And now we have bluish style of most of the things here. And third option is the brown theme, so I will do that right now. So I need to press OK, and now the theme is brown. But once again, my favorite would be the first one. Citroen has always been known for the comfort, and that is the case here as well. So it is really a relaxed drive in this one, especially with those advanced comfort seats with extra foam. Really impressive, and I would definitely recommend you to go for those, especially if you plan to go on longer road trips with it. Okay guys, and that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Also, you can check out my full review of this car during the day. More details of the infotainment system, trunk and stuff like that are in that video. Thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car. Subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.